So let's start with one big, juicy heirloom tomato. Next, give it a gentle X-shaped cut on the bottom, as that will help with peeling later. Now place it carefully in your air fryer basket and set the air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. When the skin starts to wrinkle, that's your sign it's ready to come out. When it's done, get a bowl of ice water ready. Yep, just like we blanch tomatoes the old school way. Then, drop the hot tomato into the ice bath for a couple of minutes. This stops the cooking and makes the skin slide right off like magic. Once it's cool, give it a quick pat with a towel so it doesn't slip around, then gently peel off the skin. It should come off in big pieces, and honestly, it's kind of satisfying. You know, that chefs have been blanching and peeling tomatoes like this for centuries, especially in French cuisine. But hey, of course they didn't have air fryer. We're just speeding things up. Next, take a small knife and carve out the inside, kind of like you're making room for the good stuff. Scoop it out, but not too much, just enough to make a little space in the middle. We want the tomato to stay sturdy like a bowl for our secret ingredient. Sprinkle in a few pine nuts for that nice, a little crunch at the bottom. Next, pour in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. And finally, let's add our star of the show, burrata. On your plate, add a generous smear of pesto, about 3 to 4 teaspoons. Think of it as the green carpet for our tomato to arrive on. Now, gently place the tomato burrata side down onto the pesto bed. Then drizzle with olive oil, add a pinch of salt, and a twist of black pepper. If you've got any pine nuts left, give them a quick crush and sprinkle on top. And finish it with a few small basil leaves on top. Because it's not a summer dish without basil, right? And there you go. A warm tomato, cool creamy center, pesto base, and fresh vibes all over. It's perfect for brunch, date night, or just making your lunch feel like something fancier. Would you change anything in this recipe? Add prosciutto? Drop your ideas in the comments. We love hearing your twists. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.